Watch a clip of a project which you can also make. So, dear students, again we are here. Hope you like my video with part 1, programming and coding, the basic software download. Today we will start something how to use this software, how to put the code in the mind of microcontroller IC, the brain of the project, which is fitted in Arduino Uno board from computer to shift it to IC, so that the IC as a brain of our project will command to LED to blink it. So similar way, any project, our IC is the brain of our project. We put the code and the IC give orders to our project, LED project, robot car project. I will show you in the video little clips which I made use of. But first, before starting anything, I will request you that I have launched this platform to help the poor students, belongs to economical weaker section. Of course, this is free education, and whatever capacities I have individually, I launch this individual to help them. I want to send them material also. Now for this project, if any needy student wants Arduino Uno, LED, breadboard, so I wish I will send him from my pocket. If anybody wants to come ahead to help them, they can send material to them direct, so that they can learn, they can grow up, and my video should reach in the villages to those students, the needy students. So I request you, watch the full video to learn it, each and every step. In between, give pause and do the practical. Look, watching my video. Beside that, you start half screen your software screen, and the half part of the computer use my video. So look there and do there. So in that way, you will learn fast. And above all, what I was saying, share it so that it should reach to the needy students. It will be help to them from your side. Push the bell icon to get my next videos notification, and send comments or contact me on my WhatsApp if you need any type of help from my side while working on the project. I will help you. I will teach you on even my WhatsApp number. So I am for you. Now it is up to you how you love to learn. So watch it and let us start first with the software screen. I will bring and a sketch. Then I will show you the Arduino Uno practically that how it will work. Selecting an example from the software. Blink example for LED. So first, I will show you this. This is Arduino Uno, which we will use to blink this LED. This is breadboard. So as per the sketch, here are the pin numbers. This is IC, the brain of this board. From here we will connect it to computer through a USB cable. When we disconnect it from the computer, we will give supply of 5 volts from here. Now it is getting from the computer. So independently run without computer after we put the code in IC, the brain of our project. Like when our teacher explains something on the blackboard, the things goes in our mind through our eyes and we learn it. We keep it in our mind, memory of our mind. And when we go to home in the evening, our mind, brain, it orders to write the same thing. So our hand start writing. Same it do. The software is the, you can say teacher will send the code in the mind of this IC. It will keep inside it in the memory of this IC. And any time it will order when you will give the supply to blink LED, to run motor, left, right. So it commands like our brain. So now let us come to the software and one sketch I will teach you. Then we will connect it and we will put the code in the IC and see how the LED will work as per this brain IC's command. IC learn from the software. Then this IC is get it done by it to blink this LED. So now I will bring, first I will open the sketch. When you downloaded this software, this shortcut will come here for Arduino. So I will open it first. This is the software you downloaded before. So I will bring it here. So now there is no project in it. This is a blank project, right? Now I will upload. No need to bring it from outside. Here is examples in the software itself. We come here, there are so many examples with code. You need not to make any code. I told you before also. Now this is the blink code for LED. I will click it. See, it comes here. Now we can close this and keep this blink code here. Like this. I'll bring it here so that you can watch over this Arduino Uno practically when we are going to do. And let us open this sketch also. Okay. ये हटा अब नजदीक से बस हाथ दिखेगा.